The skill I will be presenting today is hitting or spiking. This skill is context specific because it's used in dynamic game-like situations, specifically in net sports where coordination and timing are key. Two activities that hitting is used in is volleyball and spike ball. We'll be focusing on volleyball today. The first criteria is an approach. If you're right-handed, you're going to do a left-right-left step, and if you're left-handed, you're going to do a right-left-right step. With each step, you want to increase in momentum and speed. An evaluation question would be, is the approach consistent and properly timed? Next is jump timing. You want to jump as soon as you plant that last step and when the ball is at its highest point. An evaluation question could be, did the player jump too soon or too late? Next is the arm swing. You want your swing to look like a bow and arrow. The evaluation question could be, is there a powerful motion and a follow through? Fourth is your contact point. You want to make contact when the ball is right in front of you at the highest point of your jump. You want to use an open hand and swing downwards. An evaluation question could be, is contact made with the ball using correct hand form? Last is your body positioning. You want to make sure that your body is squared with the net throughout your entire arm swing, approach, and contact. An evaluation question could be, did the shoulders stay square throughout your entire swing? Now I'll be showing you a video of a proficient player.
I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start my right foot front and take a big left, right, left. Next is our jump timing. I want to jump whenever the ball is at its highest point. Next is our arm swing mechanics. You want your arms to look like a bow and arrow. While this whole thing is happening, you want to make sure your body is squared to the net. And last is ball contact. You want to make sure that your hand is on top of the ball when you're swinging.
Next, we'll get into the scoring. A spike is successful if it goes over the net, or if it's inside the court, or if the opponent mishandles the ball, causing it to go out. For more of a broader explanation, it's the first team to 3 sets. It can go all the way to 5 sets. The first 4 sets would be played to 25 points, and that 5th set would be played to 15 points. Now I'll show 2 examples of a non-proficient player.
Something that a non-proficient player would do is skip past the approach. They would just run up to the ball, which leads for horrible timing. Next is jump timing. If you're running up and you jump too soon, too late, the ball's going to go either in front of you or behind you. Next is your arm swing. If you don't have this kind of swing, it leads to no power at all. The ball's going down or it's going straight to the net. Next is body positioning. If you're not square to the net, it leads to the ball not going inside the court. If you're facing this way, if you're facing this way, the ball's going to follow you. So, as an example for someone who is not proficient, for the second trial, we're going to be paying attention to jump timing. With an approach, that's great. But if you're jumping too soon or too late, the ball's either going to go behind you or in front of you, which throws off your entire swinging and hitting motion. For example,
First, we'll be going over individual structural constraints. 2 examples for that could be height or arm length. Someone that is taller or that has longer arms is going to reach the ball at a better angle, which will give them better speed of the ball and a better angle. Next are individual functional constraints. Self-confidence and self-motivation are 2 factors. If you're not confident or have no motivation, then your entire approach and swing is going to be affected, and your accuracy and speed of the ball will decrease. Next is environmental physical. Playing indoors versus playing outdoors is 2 completely different ball games. Playing outdoors, you have to take in the sun, wind, and the amount of power you'd get coming off sand, whether besides indoor, whether you'd be on a court. Next is environmental sociocultural. Female game versus male game can differ a little bit. Females are sometimes taught to play more smart than a male would be when they're focused more on power. Next are task constraints. Rule differences and modified equipment can play a big factor. In youth, you play with a lighter ball and a lower net, which can affect how you develop as a player. Improvement Plan 1, you would need volleyball, a net, and gym space. You'd have a partner and they would either set or toss the ball to you over here. Depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed, you take right, left, right, your approach, jump, and snap. This drill is specifically just working on your timing. Next is your target drill. You would need a volleyball, net, cones, and a gym space for this. Once again, your partner's over here. They're either setting or tossing you the ball. You do your approach, right, left, right, jump, and you have 2 cones, a cone here and a cone here. Your goal is to either hit down the line or across in this corner, depending on where the block would be. I hope you learned a little bit more about spiking or hitting today.